In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos using a tool called Tubebuddy. So if you don't have Tubebuddy installed yet, you can click on the link in the description down below and install Tubebuddy quickly. That's going to give you this little Tubebuddy sign in the top right-hand side of your YouTube homepage. And we're going to click on that and we're going to go into the Keyword Explorer. Now this is where we're going to start looking for the tags for your videos. So let's look at an example for kite surfers who want to learn how to jump. So we're going to go for how to jump high for kite surfing. Tubebuddy is going to give you a keyword score, but what we really want to look for is the related searches. So there's how to jump high kite surfing, how to jump higher kite surfing, and how to jump higher kiteboarding. Now, if you don't have a lot of related searches or suggestions here, what you can do is shorten your keyword phrase to get more out of Tubebuddy. So let's go kite surfing jump. Now, if we have a look at the related searches, you'll see there are way more suggestions and we can get ideas of the kind of tags that we want to add to our video here. So there's kite surfing jump over an island, kite surfing jump transition, kite surfing jump over pier, jumping technique, jump start, jump island, jump turn, jump compilation. So if we go into the jumping technique, then what we can do is head over to the common tags to see videos that are created around jumping. What kind of tags are other users using? So they're using kiteboarding, kite surfing, tutorial, how to jump, kite surf, kiteboard, big air, guide, kite loop. So you're getting so many ideas here. And the great thing about Tubebuddy is all you need to do is select the tags that you want to use and copy them over. So go down to action, copy to clipboard, and then you can paste them inside of your video. So in order to do that, we go into our YouTube studio. I'm just going to show you an example on my channel. We don't make any kite surfing videos. We would like to learn how to do kite surfing, but I'm going to show you where you're going to paste these tags if you were uploading a video. So you're going to edit the video that you are currently working on. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the tags. And all you do is put your cursor in there and you can paste all of the tags that you just copied directly from Tubebuddy. If you want to remove them, you can delete all of them, or you can delete them individually by clicking on X's. Let's head back over to YouTube and I want to share a power tip with you. So once you've got some of the tags that you want, you really want to refine the tags so you make sure you have the best opportunity of ranking for the best possible keyword tags that you can find. What we're going to do is we're going to now type into YouTube search what we had in the Keyword Explorer tool. Now, when you do this, YouTube is going to show you the best possible results. And the amazing thing is you can go into these top 3 results. So let's open up these top 3. So you can go into the top 3 results and explore them. And the Search Explorer on the right-hand side is going to give you related searches together with those common video tags that we already copied. And you can explore these and have a look at what you want to dig further into. Then we can go into our top 3 videos that have come up for this specific search. And I'm going to show you in vidIQ here, you can see the exact tags that this video is using and where they are ranking for those specific tags. Let's have a look at the second video and you can see the exact tags that they're using. And if you want to copy any of these tags, you can click on this copy to clipboard and then you can head back to your video and you can paste the ones that are relevant to your YouTube channel. So you can see all of those and then you can decide which ones that's not relevant for my channel. That's not what I'm actually talking about. We don't actually have a GoPro there, and you can make sure that it is exactly relevant for your video. And let's have a look at our third video where we can see the tags that he's used and we can copy any of those if we would like to copy them. If you have any questions or queries about finding better tags for your YouTube videos, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you're ready to jump into the next video, we're going to have it for you right here.